Hi, I'm Santi from INPRONIC USA.
In this video, you will learn how to update the firmware for all supported INPRONIC devices, including converters and the control switch. First, we need to download the required files. Go to our website and click on Downloads. Then, scroll down until you find INPRONIC SETUP Upgrader. Click Download here, and the file will be saved directly to your Downloads folder. In this video, I'll be updating the J1908 to J1939 converter. So when I scroll down, I'll select the correct firmware. In my case, I'll download the J1708 converter firmware. Next, go to your Downloads folder and unzip the downloaded file. The file we'll be using is the firmware manifest.
Now, double-click on the file named upgrader.x. This will open the installation window. Click Next. When asked to select the installation folder, leave it as default, then click Next again. Finally, click Install. Wait for the process to finish, and then click Finish. A shortcut with an orange icon will appear on your desktop.
At this point, connect the device you want to update, whether it's a J1708 to J1939 converter, a control switch, or a J1939 converter. For this converter, one USB port can be programmed for 500 or 666 kilobits per second, while the second USB port is used for 250 kilobits per second.
Double-click the executable.
Here, you can see the name of your COM port. In my case, it's COM7. For this example, I'll be updating the J1708 converter.
Click Check for Updates. A message will appear saying a new update is available. Click Next. Now choose the corresponding firmware. Click Browse Manifest. The File Explorer will open. Go to the Downloads folder.
Open the folder named J1708 Firmware.
Double-click on the firmware file. It will load automatically. Click Next. Enable Full Erase. Then click Next again. Now click the button Update Firmware. Wait for the update process to complete. Once it's done, click Finish. The window will close automatically.
Your device is now updated and ready for optimal performance.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us for more tutorials.